Numbers 1 to 20 in German. 1. Eins, eins. 2. Zwei, zwei. 3. Drei, drei. 4. Vier, vier. 5. Fünf, fünf. 6. Sechs, sechs. 7. Sieben, sieben. 8. Acht, acht. 9, neun, neun. 10. 10, 10. 11, elf, elf. 12, wolf, wolf. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15. 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17. Here, 17 is not called 17. Like in 17, it's called 17. 18, 18, 18. 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20. To learn German, follow Learn German with Devansh.